Hi, I'm Martin Marvin. I'm the CEO of Transform. We're a spray tan company.
And how's business?
Why'd you come out to Australia?
If you can make it here in tanning, you can make it anywhere. Stop crying about your ex-wife, you pussy.
Ow, ow, stop. Oh, fuck. Jesus.
Sorry, I thought that would have come off easier.
Sorry, I think maybe I'm confused.
Oh, what you think's happening is exactly what's happening.
Can I ask what the loan is for?
Did we,
He's being blackmailed. No, but he really is. I don't think so.
Oh, geez, you got a fucking gun?
I'm accelerating. Tell me your password.
One.
What are they, all ones?
2.
Yeah, matey.
With cash.
You can either let them take what is yours or show this fucker who's boss.
We've got to get rid of him.
Sometimes you gotta get arrested to realize what you want in life.
I thought you two were siblings.
We are siblings.
That's not right.
I've destroyed my life.
Maybe your life needed destroying.
What's going to do here, mate? What's going on? What are you going to do?
How did you handle torture?
We're out of water.
Well, fill it up then. Sorry, Martin, won't be a minute.